Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Air. Now you can see this is 13-inch M3 2024 and the chip is M3. The RAM is 16 gigabyte. You can see the storage is 256 gigabyte. And you can see the battery information. The battery capacity is 100%, cycle count 48. And you can see this machine, the condition is very good. You can see no scratches here. Okay, the trackpad function you can see, no problem. And let me show you the logo surface. Okay, you can see the logo, slightly, a slight scratch. You can see, and you can see no scratch here. And you can see 2024 13-inch and 16 gigabyte 256 gigabyte storage M3 Air. No scratches. No scratches. You can see the charging ports. No problem. Okay. No signs of use. You can see. Okay, a little scratch here. A little scratch. And let me show you this edge. Okay, slight scratch here. And you can see this edge. Okay, slight scratch. The headphone jack, no problem. You can see the back. Okay, oh, here is a little scratch here. And here. Okay, this is the machine. Let me show you the 30-inch display. I changed the wallpaper, the gray color. Okay, I changed the wallpaper. Now you can see the screen is okay, no problem. Okay, here. Okay, a little bit dirty, not the screen's problem. Okay, here. A little bit dirty, no problem, no scratch. And I changed another color. Okay, you can see the red color also, no problem, no problem. This is the M3 Air. This price is about 4,800. You can see the specification, M3 2024 and 60-inch 256. And you can see the battery information. The battery 100%, 48 cycle count. This price is about 4,800. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, see you in the next video.